Imagine saying, "I do," with the ocean as your witness. Hi, we're Dreamwood Films specializing in wedding photography and videography that captures every magical moment. Today we're sharing how to plan an ultimate beach wedding so it's perfect, stress-free, and unforgettable. Step 1. Location is everything. Think about sunset views, tides, privacy, and accessibility for your guests. Some beaches require permits, so plan ahead. And remember, the right backdrop makes all your photos magic. Step 2. Outfits and decor. Lightweight fabrics for the breeze, comfortable footwear, or no shoes at all. Plan for weather surprises with a cute tent or a backup location. Personal touches like driftwood decor, seashell accents, or sand ceremony make your wedding unforgettable. Capture it all. The laughter, the waves, the intimate moments. That's where Dreamwood Films comes in. We use cinematic techniques, drones, and storytelling to make your wedding feel like a fairy tale you can relive forever. Every beach wedding is unique, and our team ensures yours is documented beautifully, from sunrise preparation to sunset wows. Don't just have a wedding, have an experience that lives on screen and in your heart. Sun, sea, tender moments, and the magic of a beach morning. Capture it all on the video. Sign up for a free consultation using the link in the video and claim your gifts. Get $1,000 discount, a free photo shoot, a free album, and a free drone session. See you!